Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on the matrices. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question, X is a matrix, column matrix XYZ is a solution of this system AX is equal to B, and given that adjoint of A matrix is equal to 3 by 3 matrix and B matrix also given, and then asked what is the value of modulus of X plus Y plus Z. So in this case we write this matrix AX is equal to B. So adjoint matrix is given, so this imply we can write X is equal to A inverse B, where A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A. So in question it is given that adjoint of A, so we need to find only determinant of A and put the value of A inverse and B and multiply it, then we get the matrix X, that is XYZ. So first we find the determinant of A. So in this case we apply one formula, that one is determinant of adjoint of A matrix is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1, where A is n cross n matrix, then that is n minus 1. In question the matrix is 3 by 3 matrix, so the adjoint of A matrix is 3 by 3. So A matrix is equal to 3 by 3, so n is equal to, in our question, 3. So adjoint of A matrix is equal to, given that 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. So we apply this formula here. So we want to find the determinant of adjoint of this matrix, that is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1, n is 3, that is 3 minus 1. So this implies determinant of A whole square is equal to determinant of adjoint of A. So next we find the value of determinant of adjoint of A. Just we find the determinant of this matrix. So determinant of adjoint of A is equal to this determinant of this matrix 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. If we break this determinant in the first row, then that is 4 multiplied by 0 plus 10 minus 2 minus 15 minus 5 plus 2 10. So if we calculate it, that is equal to, we got 40 plus 40 plus 20, so that is equal to 100. So we got the determinant of adjoint matrix. So now we put here the value of this determinant of adjoint of A. So that is equal to determinant of A whole square is equal to 100. This implies determinant of A is equal to plus minus 10. So we got this. Now we find the A inverse. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A matrix over determinant of A. So put this A inverse value here, we got the X. So now we put X is equal to A inverse into B. So that is equal to adjoint of A over determinant of A multiplied by B matrix. Now we find first this matrix adjoint of A multiplied by B matrix. So that is adjoint of A multiplied by B, that is equal to 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3. Matrix, this matrix, and multiply by this matrix 4 0 2. If we multiply this, then we got this 4 cross 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 2 into 2 minus 5 into 4 plus 0 into 0 5 into 2, that is 1 into 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. If we calculate this matrix is equal to, so adjoint of A multiplied by B matrix, that we got 20 minus 10 10. So therefore we put here X is equal to adjoint of A multiplied by B over determinant of A. So that is equal to this matrix 20 minus 10 10 over determinant of A. So that is equal to this matrix X is equal to X y, z. So x is equal to first component 20 over determinant of a. So this implies x is equal to 20 over determinant of a, and y is equal to minus 10 determinant of a, and z is equal to 10 over determinant of a. So we got x, y and z, and determinant of a we know plus minus 10. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 20 over determinant of a plus minus 10 over determinant of a plus 10 over determinant of a. So determinant of a is LCM 20 minus 10 plus 10. So this 10 cancel, that is 20 over determinant of a. So now we put the value of determinant of a, that is 20 over plus minus 10, that is plus minus 2. In question asked what is the value of modulus of x plus y plus z, this value. So that value is plus minus 2, that is equal to 2. So we got the answer, that is the answer is 2. X plus y plus z modulus value is 2. If you see the option first one option is the correct answer. So overall the question, we actually find the determinant of a value from the adjoint of a using this formula. Determinant of adjoint of a is equal to determinant of a power n minus 1, where a, if a is n cross n matrix, question n is equal to 3. So we put n is equal to 3 here. Using this formula we got the value of the determinant is plus minus 10, and put here x is equal to a inverse b, and a inverse is equal to adjoint of a over determinant of a into b. So we find the value of adjoint a into multiply by b matrix, then we got the this matrix is equal to 20 minus 10 10 over determinant of a, and put the value of this matrix x y z and compare x is equal to first element of this matrix over determinant of a, and similarly y and z. Then we find the value of x, y and z, and finally put the determinant of a value is plus minus 10. We got the value x plus y plus this modulus is equal to 2. So this is the final and correct answer.